Good evening, parents. It's September the 5th, 2017. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Mr. Sadler. I'll be teaching your son or daughter grade 9 academic math. That's MPM1D, grade 9. First of all, welcome to St. Mary's. Hopefully the first day was good and it wasn't too scary. And I appreciate you guys coming to visit. This video is meant to give you guys some information about the course, and if there's any questions, then we can talk after that. I should mention before I start, the course webpage, if you didn't go that way, is http://www.mrsadler.net. On there will be lessons. There will be a PDF of what we did every day as well. There'll be a link to the video of what we did every day, along with assignments, and all that stuff will be on there. So if you ever miss a day, that should be your first place that you check. All right, let's talk with supplies first of all. Okay, supplies that your son or daughter will need is binder, obviously. I asked that they have just their math subjects in a binder, and then every other subject can go in each another binder. We'll need about probably 200 pages of paper is what you'll need, so pretty a 1-inch binder, 1.5 will do the job here. You're also going to need pencils. Math is for pencils, not for pens, and I talked about that this morning with your children, but just a reminder again. You're also going to need a ruler. You're going to need a scientific calculator. They cost about $8 to $12 calculator. Sorry about that. They cost about $8 to $12, and if you get a decent one, you can use it all through high school, all the way up to calculus there. And we'll also need some graph paper later in the semester. Okay, so these are the things I'll be checking within the, I'll check that. Let's try it again. I will be checking to make sure your kids have all this stuff sort of expected by next week. It'd be good. Okay. Okay, homework comes next. Okay, this is an academic class, which means there will be nightly homework. Now, there won't be hours and hours, but maybe half an hour there might be, sort of on an average night. It'll happen every night. The way I set up this course is that I teach for the majority of the period. There'll be some work time, but not a lot. My goal is that they understand the lesson. My job is to make sure they understand the lesson while they're in the class, and when they leave it, they should understand, and it's their job to lock it in for the long term by practicing at home in the evening. We will have a test and assignment. Every 2 weeks, approximately, and they're going to be due on Tuesday. Okay, so what that means is that I will give the assignment maybe the Wednesday or the Thursday before. They'll have the weekend to work on it, ask me any questions on Monday, and then their test is going to be on Tuesday. All right, and I should also mention that test number 1 is on Tuesday, September the 12th, and that'll also be choice number 1 too. That's what I call your assignments, choice assignments. We'll also be doing that day. This is just, now don't get all scared about it. It's just going to be a review of grade 8, just to make sure that you have all the foundational skills that you're going to need for this course. That's what the first test is going to be on. Okay, next up is math help. St. Mary's is wonderful that we provide so much math help for your kids. The reason I became a teacher was that I love to help kids. I want them to understand. That's my main goal. So there's formal math help Tuesday and Thursday at lunch. It's just an at sign. in room 319. But I will also provide daily before school and at lunch math help in room 318. So if part of the lesson you didn't understand, please, this class is just before lunch, so just stay at lunch if you need to, if there's anything you didn't understand. Some kids just stay in math help and get their homework done, so they have nothing to do in the evening, which is a good plan too. Or again, if there's something the night before, you can come before school as well too and get things figured out. I make sure in class every day that I go through at least a few questions from the homework if there are any questions. As I said, my goal is for you guys to understand and learn as much as you can in this course, and that's what I'm hoping. All right, finally, contact information. I will post all my videos on YouTube, so that's a good way to take a look. The website, once again, is http www.mrsadler.net. The phone number at the school is 519-376-4278. My email address is mr.sadler@gmail.com. And that is intended that if you're going to miss some time and you need work, send me an email and I can give that to you. As well, if during the weekend that you have an assignment, you're totally stuck on a question, need some help, so you can pop me an email and I'll get back to you there. So that's what it's meant to be. So congratulations on making through the first day. I'm hoping for a great semester with you guys, and this will be a lot of fun this semester. So thank you very much for seeing the video, and I will see you tomorrow at school. So if I could find how to shut it off would be even better.